What if a massive truck could drive itself with incredible precision? Meet the Tatra Force automated driving system, a next-generation innovation transforming heavy-duty transportation. Designed for demanding environments like construction sites, mining operations, and military logistics, this intelligent truck combines rugged Tatra engineering with advanced autonomous technology. Using a network of sensors, cameras, radar, and smart software, it can navigate complex terrain, avoid obstacles, and follow planned routes with minimal human input. The system improves safety by reducing driver fatigue while increasing operational efficiency in challenging conditions. Built to handle extreme weather and rough landscapes, the Tatra Force proves that automation isn't just for city roads, it's ready for the toughest jobs on Earth. This is a powerful glimpse into the future of smart trucking, where strength, precision, and cutting-edge technology work together like never before.
This trailer can carry giants like it's nothing. Meet the Nooteboom Euro-PX3, a heavy-haul trailer engineered to move the world's largest and heaviest loads with remarkable stability. Built for transporting construction machinery, industrial equipment, and oversized cargo, this advanced low loader combines exceptional strength with smart engineering. Its modular design allows operators to configure the trailer for different transport missions, while hydraulic suspension keeps massive loads balanced, even on uneven roads. Steerable axles improve maneuverability, making tight turns far easier despite its enormous size. Designed for maximum payload capacity without compromising safety, the Euro-PX3 helps reduce transport costs and increase efficiency on demanding projects. Whether it's a giant excavator or a massive transformer, this trailer proves that modern heavy transport is smarter, safer, and more capable than ever before.
Need to haul massive machines? This trailer is built for the impossible. Meet the Faymonville MultiMAX, a versatile low-loader trailer designed to transport heavy machinery with outstanding efficiency. From excavators and bulldozers to oversized industrial equipment, this trailer is engineered to handle demanding loads while maintaining excellent stability. Its lightweight yet high-strength frame maximizes payload capacity without sacrificing durability. The low loading deck makes it easier to transport tall equipment while staying within road height limits, and steerable axles provide exceptional maneuverability on narrow roads and construction sites. Built for reliability and flexibility, the MultiMAX adapts to a wide range of transport challenges with ease. Whether you're working in construction, agriculture, or heavy industry, this trailer delivers the perfect combination of strength, safety, and smart engineering, proving that modern heavy transport is more capable than ever before.
Think no road can stop a truck? Wait until you see this 16-wheeled monster in action. Meet the Tatra Phoenix 16x16, one of the toughest truck inventions ever built. Designed for extreme off-road operations, this heavy-duty machine features a powerful engine, 16 driven wheels, and Tatra's legendary independent suspension system. From deep mud and rocky mountains to mining sites and construction zones, it delivers unmatched traction, stability, and reliability where ordinary trucks simply can't go. Built to carry massive loads in the harshest environments, the Phoenix 16x16 is engineered for maximum performance and durability. This isn't just a truck, it's an unstoppable powerhouse built to conquer any challenge. What if your truck could protect its own tires automatically? Meet TiremaX Pro-LB, an advanced automatic tire inflation system designed to keep commercial truck and trailer tires at the correct pressure every mile of the journey. By continuously monitoring and adjusting air pressure while the vehicle is moving, it helps reduce uneven tire wear, improve fuel efficiency, and extend tire life. Proper tire pressure also enhances braking performance, stability, and overall road safety, especially when carrying heavy loads. Built for demanding transport operations, the system minimizes costly downtime caused by tire failures and lowers maintenance expenses. Whether traveling across highways or rough job sites, TiremaX Pro-LB works silently in the background to keep fleets running at peak performance. It's a smart innovation, proving that even small changes in tire management can make a huge difference.